Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Languages and Input, so you change the keyboard itself, not just system volume. Once there, tap on Screen Keyboard and pick the app you use, Gboard, Oneplus Keyboard, or another. Make sure you're editing the active keyboard, otherwise your changes won't apply. This step targets the app-level toggles that control keypress sound and vibration. It prevents system sound settings from contradicting the keyboard preferences, which is why you do this first. Now, inside the keyboard app's preferences, turn off sound on keypress and haptic feedback to stop both click sounds and vibrations. If you use Gboard, it's under Preferences. For Oneplus Keyboard, look for sound and vibration. Once done, go back and confirm system sound and vibration, other sounds and vibration, and disable any touch or screen interaction sounds so they don't reintroduce clicks. Make sure to test in a messaging app to verify the keyboard is silent. Finish by testing typing in several apps to confirm silence. Some apps override keyboard settings occasionally. If sound persists, restart your phone to apply changes, then clear the keyboard app cache from app's keyboard storage. If that still fails, update the keyboard app from the Play Store or uninstall and reinstall it to reset settings. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to another keyboard temporarily to see if the issue is app-specific. If the alternate keyboard is silent, the original app needs repair or update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.